I am super excited to talk about some of the new capabilities introduced in the 3D Experience Works simulation portfolio. Think of this as the next step where you're getting access to even more powerful technology for different disciplines in the product development process. The simulation offering on the 3D Experience platform is a step up. In all of the structural roles, now you can modify simulation settings very quickly and edit the scenario features very efficiently with the improved assistant panel. This mainly improves the robustness of contacts with the new enhanced default contact setting. You can now perform pretty accurate battery cell simulations or cell performance workflows with the inclusion of what we call as pore pressure with coupled stress thermal electrochemical simulations. So as you're running the job, you're now getting a lot more feedback than you used to, very specific feedback on what could have gone wrong from a user input perspective. And then you basically edit the mesh to fix this particular overlap or penetration, which is this region, right? So it very nicely highlights the overlap region so that you can then go ahead and fix, maybe set up some sort of an offset and then remesh. What you're going to see is that you can always come in here and make changes quite easily without having to rely on other tools like assistant panel or so on. So it's just a nice easy feature for somebody to just get started on fluid simulation. Now we use geometry based technology that's leveraging some of the CATIA capabilities that instantaneously extracts the fluid geometry. You can now obtain quite accurate thermoset injection molding simulations which account for materials initial curing state.